circulated are not of my son. I request Police Commissioner to please protect him. I'm Shivani Agarwal, Vedant's mother. I want to request media that the videos which have been circulated are not of my son. They are all fake videos. My son is in the detention center. Please, I request Police Commissioner to please protect him. Please protect him. Please. Please protect him. Please.
देश विदेशातील प्रत्येक घडामोडींचे लाईव्ह अपडेट मिळवण्यासाठी आता साम टीव्हीच्या सर्व सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्मला लाईक, फॉलो आणि सबस्क्राइब करा. तसंच सर्व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.